Normally it's here. Normally you just press that and it comes up. Let me Google it.
Yeah. Yeah. Welcome to live chat. Remember.
Learn more. Turn on live chat.
In today's video, we're going to talk about how to turn on live chat on YouTube. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. Through the YouTube website, here are the steps. Navigate to your favorite browser.
All right, guys. Good. Chat is working. We got the chat room going.
Oh,
Sorry, we have to do a quick reset. Go ahead and type something, folks. Type something to make sure we see your questions. Okay? Let's see. I want to make sure you can hear us loud and clear.
there we go.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right. So
Thank you for that.
we had to restart because we couldn't read comments. Can you hear me loud and clear?
Yes.
Can you hear me loud and clear? Okay, so we're going to go into this room right now and showcase the new subs from Børresen. We're going to show the first time, this is the first time you're going to see the M2s, okay? You've never seen a Børresen M2, let alone the new subs. So follow me, you got to come to this room. Epiphany Room, okay? Here's the name of the room, in case you were wondering. Now here, you're gonna see something that has never been seen before. Børresen is releasing a brand new product. This is debut in the United States, all right? So let's come in and show what we got. See if we get a little bit of light in here. Sure. We are live right now. We are going through all the rooms, showing people what's special about this year's show. Look who's here. Michael Børresen, the man behind all of this here. Okay, so brand new for 2025 are the new, I don't want to call them subwoofers, but I can't think of the right terminology. Peter, what is the name? What do you guys call them? Subwoofers?
Børresen base modules.
Børresen base modules is what they call them. Okay, these are 4 8-inch drivers inside, facing each other. If you can see there, if you turn the light on really quick,
Yep.
show the audience. It's 4 8-inch drivers. It's a beautiful design, carbon fiber top. I believe they have a 300 watt Class D amplifier, correct? So 300 watts, $20,000 MSRP is what I heard. So you're getting to see one of the important components that you need to come and listen here at the AXPONA show, Epiphany Room, okay? But this is another important element, the M2. Yes, finally made it here. First time you're seeing it in the US at a show. MSRP, Peter?
$190K.
$190,000. Again, exquisite finish. I was just listening to them. I don't know if you guys had a chance to watch my short videos. I came in earlier, excuse me, and I shot a short video, and you can easily tell the clarity, the definition of this speaker. I mean, it's tremendous. So these two are brand new for the Børresen line. In addition to that, they're gonna have something new, which they have never done before. They've been digital boys for as long as I can remember. All about digital. So you have here a phono stage, a brand new phono stage from them. It's called the R880 from AVIC. And that's gonna retail how much?
70,000.
70,000, but that does a bunch of things. Tell my audience really quick what it does. I'm gonna sit here with you, and you can just go ahead.
Yeah, so I cannot escape now? Yeah, cornered by the big guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it actually is 4 phono stages in one phono stage because it does the DS cartridge.
Oh, wow.
So and it does that. It can invert phase on that. It can change on the fly from the remote control the low cut and the high cut that is needed to equalize the DS cartridge. It also has 2 moving coil because moving coil cartridge is still the most common. So it has 2 inputs for that, and then it has an MM as well. And the moving coil has 3 gain stages, so it goes from 48 dB to 70 dB, and it's so low in noise that you don't need an input transformer, even if you choose to play a frog or something with really, really low output. And I think it's a statement piece.
It's a game changer.
We have taken us 3 years of work.
Yeah.
But actually, it is finally there, and we couldn't release it, and we still have. You know, when you do something very specialized in the analog domain, it's sometimes hard to source the components, and we still lack a few that we need to find in order to mass produce. Or this will never be a mass product for sure, but
Got it.
produce what the market can take.
So it's not being shipped right now.
Yeah, it starts shipping in May.
May, okay.
Yeah. So we are now building for shipping.
So what made you finally jump into the analog world? Because
We have been making phono stages all the way back to the very first
Really?
AVIC amplifier had a phono stage.
Ah.
And this is just a development of that concept that was originally in there, and it has always been a very good phono stage, but I think that having a phono stage as a module in an integrated amplifier is not the same as doing a specialized product like this is.
Now, when it comes to the design of that phono stage, is it 100% made by you all, or are you in partnership with other brands that collaborate to come out with the product?
This is our work.
Oh, 100%. Okay.
All of it.
Good.
Everything is made in Stowing for the
Good.
DC boards, and
Good.
we are the circuits in there are special. We have been working for many years with low noise amplification. And the thing is that the easy way to make a phono stage is use for moving coil cartridges is to use JFETs.
Okay.
Because JFETs are not leaky, and you don't need it's safe to work with JFETs. But JFETs are noisy. They have high Johnson noise. They have high popcorn noise. So they are essentially, it's impossible to do something that has really ultimate clarity. So our phono stage has bipolar transistors, and I can tell you something like the RBB of those transistors is like 3 ohms, and that essentially translates to the noise they create by themselves. The amplifying devices is like pulling current through a 3 ohm resistor. So you can imagine that is very, very tiny. The problem is that everything in a phono stage matters, because you have to gain so many times in order to have 70 dB gain at 1 kilohertz. You have to have tremendous gain. So even the tiniest current noise through resistors, through transistors, through components matter. And here we have to take ultimate care of noise, and we have I believe, an unmatched clarity.
Okay, well, that's something that I'm extremely interested in hearing later today. So where is the big piece? Where's the table? The turntable. Oh, wait a minute. It escaped me. I don't know why I missed it completely. So this is their new creation. This is a Lin turntable. This is what you guys are going to be doing. What's the MSRP on this?
I have no idea.
Who knows? See, I caught him with their pants down, okay? I showed up. I didn't give him any advice on what was going to happen. This is me giving you guys, behind the scenes and before doors open. So that's why.
In the middle of setup.
In the
yeah.
middle of setup.
Yeah, this is a pretty tricked out LP12, right? Because a base Climax LP12 is what, Josh?
Like what,
35 grand-ish. And then this one has, the upgraded plinth, which they call the Lin Bedrock, an ANSU stabilizer. It's pretty cool device. We can show you the A and B of adding that to any turntable. We've got the DS cartridge on this one. We have an ANSU's gold signature cable. So, you start adding this stuff up. I'm sure it's like a $80,000
Easily.
A $100,000 turntable with the darks underneath it.
Oh,
Yeah.
there you go.
So
Pretty exciting stuff. You guys are releasing a lot of great brand. I think this is the most I have seen when it comes to new releases from
Oh yeah.
the group, right?
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
think I've ever seen 3 big pieces.
Well, tomorrow morning you'll see some more too. We're
There you
just
You're just getting, oh, you're slowly rolling them out. Okay.
yeah.
To make sure I don't have a lot of questions for them. That's why they just want to give me a little bit at a time. But we're going to make more content later today. So
cool.
Awesome.
See you then, man. Thanks.
All right, guys, let's continue. Let's continue and see more today.
Sounds great. Thanks.
Thank you for your time. Good to see you, man. See you again.
Hey.
All right, so let's go down the other way and see
We have 54 people watching and 9 likes.
9 likes. That's so unfair. 9 likes.
10.
Come on. You're killing me, guys. No one is giving you a live stream from AXPONA. Only me. You know what to do. Follow me. Let's go over here. What do we got? Nirvana room. This is Joseph Audio. Not much to see at this time, as you can see. If you go in real quick, they're still setting up Joseph Audio speakers. There's Joseph Audio himself. How you doing, Joseph? What's going on?
I've done better.
You've done better?
Yeah.
Oh, man. So this is the first time in this room for you, right?
No, this is the third time.
Third time.
Yeah.
When do you think you'll be ready?
Probably in a few hours.
A few hours, okay. You know this guy here, I mean, the way he sets up his speakers, I'm telling you, he's got some magic in his hands, let me tell you, because it's crazy what I've heard. I don't think I've ever heard anyone set up speakers, his own speakers, the way he does. Like, it's spot on every time. I've never heard a Joseph Audio speaker sound bad at any show. Let's leave it at that. Let's continue. And show my audience, this is a live stream, so people can get to see what happens before showtime, right? So they can get some appreciation for the hard work and the labor that all your crew does. So, see, you're putting all the curtains to treat the room, and yeah, and we'll see what this room sounds like in a few hours. So we'll come back around tomorrow once everything is firing up.
All right.
Thank you, Joseph. Appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Feel better. All right, let's go. This is the Nirvana room. Can you guys hear me loud and clear? How's the sound? How's the sound? Can you hear me? Comment. Let me know if you can hear pretty good as I am interviewing people. I want to make sure I'm working.
Sound is good.
Sounds good? Okay. See, I'm holding the mic here so I can just move it around and give you guys really good
We
sound.
have
Okay?
72 people watching and 28 likes.
Get those likes. Let's get up to 100 people. Let's get up to 100 likes. I'm going to give you more. Let's do this. That's my cup of tea right there. See that? That's my cup of tea, that massive amplifier. I believe they are doing some, as you can see, fine-tuning of this Swiss speaker. Credo, I think it is, Credo. Hello, guys. Hi. How are you guys? Hi. How are you guys doing? We're just walking around the rooms, live stream at the time right now. So you're on YouTube and just showing everyone, you know, what goes on behind the scenes and the work you guys do. So greatly appreciate it. You guys do. It is important that we.
Line array speakers, Dr. Fike on the turntable, DS Audio Grandmaster cartridge. Going into the DS Audio, our equivalent equalizer from EMM Labs, the DS EQ1 version 2. Streaming right now. We can throw on a record for you. We just calibrated the turntable. But yeah, we've been setting up since about 8 o'clock this morning.
Wow, 8 o'clock, and it is almost 3 o'clock already. So these guys have been at it for about 7 hours. So definitely looks like a very interesting speaker. I saw it last year. I believe it was here last year. So I had a chance to listen to it. It's really impressive. So I'm gonna come back one that's firing all cylinders and do the formal videos that I do throughout the show. Right now it's just a quick, for people to see that you guys are here, you're present, what you have going on, so they can hopefully see this video tonight before doors open tomorrow. All right.
Come by.
Anytime. Follow me, guys. Let's continue.
All right.
Hi. All right. So we are going to Convergent Audio Technologies, CAT. You see? So this is one of the one of the most interesting brands from the USA. It's a tube amplifiers and preamplifiers. It's a tube brand, right? Anything they make has tubes in them. And I gotta say, okay, this is probably the best I've ever heard Magical. So this is one of the best brands that I've ever heard with Magical loudspeakers. CAT amplifiers. Incredible dynamic, like it's just so immediate, so powerful, takes huge control of the woofers. But if you can see over there, they're using the Acora VRCs. So this is the same speaker as what you saw in the Acora acoustics room just now. As you can see, they're using that same speaker. So let me see. If you can zoom in on the speaker, you can see the Acora speakers being put into position. And all that heavy moving. Amazing. All right. Hopefully you guys are getting a nice glimpse of AXPONA. But for now, I need to drink some water.
Me too.
I need some water. So I can take some questions. If you guys have some questions, go ahead and shoot them out right now.
Thank you.
If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll get those answered.
Water break?
Yes, water break at the time, huh? A lot of talking, so I'm waiting for my audience now to talk to me. Any questions you guys may have, it's your turn.
We have 68 people watching, 47 likes so far. Anybody have any questions so far in the rooms we've seen?
Anything that you are interested in knowing? Why don't we continue downstairs and see what else we can see. Let's go down the stairs.
What are the new preamps you look forward to hearing at the show?
Preamps. I'm looking forward to listening to this D'Agostino Relentless preamplifier, which will be in the room upstairs. Ooh.
Whoa. Jay almost fell down the stairs at AXPONA 2025.
So the Relentless preamplifier from D'Agostino is something I want to listen to. But I mean, to be honest, it's kind of hard to say that I'm going to be listening to just the preamplifier, right? Because it is a system, a completely different system.
Tell Val to work harder. Is there a Vienna acoustics room?
I believe there is. So let's continue.
Will you visit or cover the stalls at Expo Hall?
The what?
The stalls?
I don't know if I'll have time for that, to be sincere with you. I don't really know if I will. If there's time, yes. But as you can see, I'm already going through the motions. Let's see what they have here.
I like the new look, Jay, beard and all. I do.
Should have been critiquing me.
I just think we could do better. Another comment, are you growing out that beard? Looks good, man.
Appreciate you all. Appreciate you all. You know
Jay,
I have a lot of appreciation.
What will be your next speaker at the lab? Now, we can't give it out like that. Come on.
People want to know.
Even I know that. Hi, Jay. What did you decide to do with the Wilson audio speakers? Are you sending them to Danny Ritchie?
No, they sold. They sold. T plus A North America.
Sorry?
Okay, T plus A North America. Let's go into this room really quick and see what we can record. Hi, guys. I know you guys are in the setup
Yes,
process.
I do like
I'm
the
just
beard,
doing a live
Elliot.
stream with my on my channel at the time. I just want people to have a feel for what you guys do behind the scenes. So we appreciate all the work that you guys put in every year. Look at this beautiful piece. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
I've never seen a unit in this color.
That is just woof, fire.
This is your color.
That is
honey.
fire. Gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. Wow. It's an all-in-one system. $4,400. $4,450. 2-channel stereo.
What?
200 watts per channel. And it's got speakers in there and everything.
What?
Wow, that's pretty. And I bet you it sounds amazing too.
You know what that's awesome for? Our kitchen.
$4,000
Well,
for a kitchen? Let me tell you, you better stand there listening to music.
you have spoiled me with good sound, so now you have to, you know, put good sound all around.
I deserve that. I do. Beautiful. Look at this. I mean, wow. Just really, really good looking stuff from T+A every year. You know, German, I mean, engineering, right? I mean, what can we say about German engineering? Nothing. It's nothing but great things. Look at this color. I kind of like this color too. This is a beautiful color.
Oh, yeah.
This is a beautiful color. Wow.
This is my favorite car color.
Any other comments? No, nothing's coming in.
No,
Okay.
nothing. Any
Okay.
questions?
If you have any questions, this is your time to ask. In the meantime, check out these speakers. It's like a combination of a ribbon. Wow. Look at these cool amplifiers from T+A. Wow. Absolutely beautiful T+A stuff. Never disappoints. It's a very musical sound. I can tell you right now, just standing here, I hear a lot of this beautiful, smooth sound. All right, let's carry on. We will be back to this room once things are firing on all cylinders. So thank you all for your time. Appreciate it. We'll be back tomorrow to shoot videos, actual videos. This is just a preview, a live stream from our audience, so you guys can see. Thank you. Tomorrow. T+A North America, we saw. And this is Upskill Audio. So that's a dealer, it's not really a brand. This is like all the big, like the market with all the records, and this is where you come and buy all your CDs and stuff. So that's always cool for headphones and stuff like that, right? So we're gonna keep going around here to highlight more rooms. We keep doing our
Is there
thing.
lamp and Seder?
Huh?
Is there lamp and Seder?
Lamp and Seder, I believe, is here. I don't know what room it is, but I do think Lamp and Seder is here. So we will see it. Today, I'm just doing this live stream for you so that you can give me likes. A lot of likes, right? Give me some likes, some love, new subscribers.
Can you do the new Techniques turntable?
The new Techniques turntable, I am going to have to figure out where that is because I really don't know where it is. But if I run into it, I'll be sure to highlight it. All right? So, let's see what
How
we got.
did you feel about Danny Ricci's audio equipment?
Uh,
I think they're going to have to watch the videos for
I
that,
think
right?
you guys need to probably give me some time after the show to answer any questions with regards to my time with Danny, although I already made that obvious. If you want me to do like a live stream, I'd be willing to do that, okay? Let's focus on the show, which is where I am. So if you have any questions about the show right now, please
Yeah,
ask
show
me.
us the best subwoofers at the show.
The best what?
Subwoofers.
Okay. We'll definitely look at subs.
And are the new what puppies on display?
I don't know yet. I haven't, remember, a lot of the rooms are not ready. So let's go in there so people can see that. Go in there. I believe this is